is Sailor? Sailor's a Bitcoin bull. 38,250 Bitcoins for the bull of bulls. The century sailor, smarter, faster, stronger, longer. He hits Bitcoin harder, smarter. 38,250 Bitcoins for the bull of bulls. Sailor is a Bitcoin bull. 19.3 trillion times more secure for sure. Let's respect the Sailor Bitcoin bull. The wall of encrypted energy will give 38,250 strong Bitcoin home, a century-long home. And that's no bull. Sailor exponentially growing, smarter, faster, stronger, longer. Nothing can stop the Sailor bull. Sailor was born to buck. Those who don't get on board will be out of luck. Nothing can stop the Sailor bull. And don't get me started on Plan B stock to flow.
Hey guys, please like.
It's ridiculous. Yo, Aeon, what's happening, dude? How you doing? Hey, what's going on? Okay. Okay, bro, are you actually minting? Hang on, are you actually minting your own shit? I was actually looking at that today. Do you know how much it costs? Oh, you're buying them, okay? Because I thought I stumbled onto like a $1 trillion idea of like minting fucking NFTs of those chicks doing ASMR shit. Like you make fucking trillions just from Bitcoin Poppy, honestly. Like imagine, you know? I don't know. I was trying to find it, but then I couldn't find it. Yeah, exactly. It doesn't even have to be OnlyFans. Just like do all the fucking degen, you know, Twitch people. Like there's so many of them, and they always do so much shit. Yeah, seriously, man, let's get on this. Let's make a platform for them to fucking mint their own shit. Yeah, okay, perfect. Let's make a platform so they can mint their own shit, and then they can sell it, and then we can take a percent. Take fucking, I don't know, what does OnlyFans take? Like 10%? Like how many horn dogs are out there, you know, looking to own a piece of that? They never will in real life, so they might as well fucking do it in the virtual world. Bro, we're gonna be fucking trillionaires. Jeff Bezos level like you right here. Okay. Imagine it happens. Are you gonna be a buyer? Jesus Christ, 1.5 mil for an animated picture. It's still at 50K. Maybe what you're forecasting has already happened, Smintz. I mean, you know, we're at 50K already. We were at 12K before. Yeah, dude, fucking absolutely send me the link. Absolutely send me the link. Richard Hart said 10K. Oh my god, yeah, he was probably, you know, doing some of that technical analysis. The match K-ball, it told him. It's even 69.8 mil for the highest. Dude, that's so nuts. You're not that far off. That's fucking crazy. That's crazy. You can buy a fucking jet for that amount of money. Imagine owning nothing or a jet. Like, what the fuck are people doing? Dude, that's like 10 life-changing monies. That's that's like getting to Oprah level money. Laundering money problem, yeah, fuck, seriously. Probably. Honestly. $15 more most expensive NFTs ever sold. Jesus. Look at number 15, just a picture of the first tweet ever. Fucking god, is it like a Jack Dorsey tweet? Jesus. Let's see. Oh my god. Oh my god. Alright, we need to get on this train. I wonder how much it costs to mint an NFT. It's insane. The stream sucks, yeah. True. Last night I tried to get one and gas price shot up to 10K. Jesus. Yeah, dude, that Ethereum gas is no joke. This stream sucks ass. Oh man. I still need like a 10K to pay to the network is just fucking ridiculous. Okay, we gotta get on this, dude. I found 300 bucks in Ethereum today. We're gonna do it. Yeah, true. You like it? Oh man. Yeah, there's a bunch of plugins that give you like access to copyright free music. I still would rather play like the fucking Wu-Tang Clan or I don't know, some fucking rock music or something. Like this is just it's better. It's better than the elevator shit. Alright guys, let's get into it. Welcome to the stream. Welcome. A couple of disclaimers. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. For all of the tools that I use, you can find them at the bapigindicator.com webpage. These are by far the best mathematical and the most accurate indicators on TradingView. All the indicators can be found under the indicators tab. And there's also a bunch of free ones. And come join us in Discord. The link is in the description of the stream. Also, my referral link for these tools is in the description as well. Some of the tools that I use, marketchameleon.com to source trades, fantastic resource. They have a lot of screeners available, you know, like unusual auctions volume, implied vol rankings, so would highly recommend you check them out. Another one that I want to add is etfdb.com. This one sorts the ETFs by type, by issuer, by geography, and there's a bunch of screeners here as well. I was using actually just nasdaq.com for hunting down IPOs. We're going to be looking at GitLab when it comes out on the 14th. Apparently, only most indicators are only tell you accurate bullshit. What? Is that English? Well done. Alright, what is this? No, this is nothing. Okay, let's take a look at the charts. All right, so we saw S&P 500 today sell off a little bit in the morning. It is now looking much better. I let go of my short yesterday. Was it yesterday or was it the day before that? Yes, the indicator is just a calculation, so all indicators are 100% accurate. Yes, but you can always get the math wrong on an indicator. This is when Smith tries to come up with something smart. This is what happens. All right. All right. Yes, we saw SPY pull up a little bit. Mom is now flipped positive. Very nice. Let's see. Volatility still picking up, so hopefully this persists. We'll have to wait and see. Ask Bali. Nasdaq. Nasdaq has significant negative skewness on it, which is very much of interest here. You know, it would suggest that returns would see some up to revert to the mean on the skewness here. So hopefully this persists as well. I was a little bit worried about entropy picking up here, but it doesn't seem to be very significant on this move. I do have the 95% filter set on there. What else can we say? Mom has gone positive as well, so hopefully we will close a little bit higher and then go up tomorrow. Is that guaranteed? No, not at all. Actually, this is probably where the DWT would be kind of nice to tell you, hey, what might happen tomorrow. Where's the Urban Watson test? A free tool, by the way. So we are in significant, not significant, we are in positive autocorrelation territory, but it's not significant, so we don't know if that'll take effect or not. It would suggest that, hey, you're more likely to have a green candle tomorrow than not. All right, let's take a look at what else. Bitcoin. Will 12K happen today? No, probably not. We are above the first expected move here, moving towards the second. Volatility has picked up here. We are printing kind of, what's the read on this actually? Can I see the read? Yes, the read on this is 70. So we're getting up there. We're definitely on our way up. HVZ is now pointed up, so I would expect this to continue expanding. Nothing extreme here, so we do have some room still left to go. Let's take a look at the mean. Mean has gone positive. If this closes here, this is very nice. Actually, let's take a look at the shorter time frame. We did see entropy tick down, giving us a little bit more certainty. You are getting a extreme on the HVZ here, so likely you cool. I wouldn't be expecting any sort of reversal or anything like that. In fact, I would be expecting continuation, just to cool for the next couple of counts here. And probably work off this skewness as well as kurtosis. Yes, okay. Yo, Unk, how's your appointment, man? Join the stream, bitches. All right, let's take a look at Ethereum. On the daily, yeah, Ethereum looking nice. Entropy is also ticked down a little bit here. Let's see this. nothing too significant kind of in this area. But good nonetheless, as long as it stays above. You know, I would be expecting all of the big moves to come to the upside. Can you explain, Vlad, that all indicators are 100% accurate? Pretty good, bro. Kicking still. Fuck yeah. Okay, good shit. Yeah, Smintz has been telling me that every indicator is just a calculation. Okay, let's go back to the start, Smintz, okay? So I was on the BA Pig indicator website, and then I said these are the best mathematical based indicators and also the most accurate mathematical based indicators. And then Smintz started giving me shit about how all the indicators are actually accurate because they're just displaying calculation. Yeah, that's exactly what happened. I'm reading the fucking chat, Smits. You said the most accurate indicators. Yeah, I did say the most accurate indicators. Well, he's right. It depends if their description is completely accurate of its function. Oh my god, you guys are fucking jokers. Alright. Like, they could say Laplace and then be like, but my Laplace. Oh, it's just fucking ridiculous. Alright, let me just Laplace all over the place here. Alright, Ethereum looking nice. Let's take a look at the 4 hour. 4 hour, not too much going on entropy, very similar skewness and kurtosis as we saw on Bitcoin. It is significant, yes. Alright, let's see. Mom did actually give you a cross up here, suggesting that we're gonna continue this to the upside. Nice. Massive gap at 24K. What's up, Chili Willy? Alright. I wanted to take a look at currencies because this is kind of getting worrying too. Oh no, it's actually sold off. But we do see entropy tick down here on the Dixie. This is mostly weighted against the euro, and volatility is very low. Mom has gone positive. So is Dixie going to be the wrecking ball going forward? We will have to wait and see. Certainly, like I don't know what the correlation would be between Dixie and the SPY, but I like the thing that I've been assuming and that I've seen happen, you know, when we have really big sell-offs, the Dixie does go up, as well as all the other US dollar pairs, just by nature of people selling their assets and they're technically buying the dollar. So, you know, I don't know what causes what, but I would assume it's the sale of the asset that causes the Dixie to pump, not like Dixie pumping would exactly mean immediately that, hey, all assets are going to sell off. It's been still in Dimension X. Oh my god. Alright, let's take a look at USD CAD. Oh wow, USD CAD actually ended up selling off. Vol is cooling on this. H3Z does have extreme low here, almost going outside of the band. So very likely that we see some volatility come back in shortly. And Mom has ticked up here, not positive, but you know, it is pointing up for the time being. Gold, we were saying this morning, hey, your entropy is ticking down, you know, this is likely going to be turning into a sell, but we do have to wait and see until we actually get the signal, right? Like we can't just front run the signals, it actually has to happen. HVZ is getting pretty low here, so I would expect some volatility in the near future as well. It's Dimension with an I. Smins is on fire today. VIX sold off today. Alright, well, we'll just have to wait and see how all this stuff closes. Let's see, crypto top 100, biggest movers. Shiba. Wow. Big Shiba. Yeah, very nice. Your dimension BBC. Oh my fucking god, you guys. ARU or ARUSDT. Very big move, and entropy is now taking down. Anything I can say about this one? Volatility still rising, entropy still taking down. You are pretty extreme on the mum here. I wouldn't expect a reversal or anything like that, but this is a very strong move actually. I haven't traded in this one, but man, would have been nice to ride that one. And BTG, just a random. Oh, I'm looking on the hourly. Let's take a look on the daily. That's what's going on. Okay. Yeah, very nice. This could very well continue. I don't have the HVZ and the entropy, so I feel like I'm a little bit blind on this one. And Bitcoin Gold. Anybody just let us know when you buy so we can short. Bro, I bought shitcoins today, okay? So you go short those here. I bought these aren't trades. These aren't trades. What was I buying today? I was buying like the most liquid shit I could find. I bought Rook, whatever that is. TRU. I bought Mob. I bought Math, because you gotta have Math. I bought Lua. And Meta. And DMG. I have no idea what any of these are. Ever heard about standard deviations? Oh man. You know what, Chili Willy? Even a broken clock is right twice a day, so... One of these days, if he sticks to it long enough, but I bet the day before it goes to 12K, he's gonna be like, alright, we're going to 100. Just like Alex Jones. Bro, it's actually scary how much shit Alex Jones has been right on though. It's like you think he'd be wrong because just how outlandish his shit sounds, but no. 100x MSNBC, yeah, fucking true. Where's Solana? I did want to check that out. A lot of people were trading in Solanas. On Binance. See if we see it on the 4-hour. Solana's still negative on the 4-hour here. Your mean is going negative. Volatility is very low. Likely to cool a little bit further here. Yeah, I'd be waiting on the mom here to make a decision back to the downside. Yeah, a lot of the stuff, you know, like we don't have much history on it. Like from a buy and hold perspective, it makes sense, you know, allocate some of the portfolio to it. A lot of people have been talking about this one too. Like the thing I'm really looking for in buy and holds like these, I want to buy some sort of a narrative that's like, you know, oh, this thing does this. Like all the fucking shitcoin ICOs I was looking at today, they just seemed ridiculous. They're just like, yeah, we're like a governance token and this and that. Like they don't actually, you know, they don't have like a story behind them. Like I think Theta was a good example of this. It was either Theta or something else. Like this one, what was it that they were announcing? They were announcing like partnerships and shit. Hang on. Yeah, okay. Let's see. Like they were talking about all this shit, like next generation video and entertainment blockchain powered by you, and this was before any of that shit was on the blockchain, right? So it was a decently strong narrative, and then they started mentioning partnerships with like Google and Samsung and shit, but like they're just enterprise validator notes. Like I don't even think that it's like they approach these people. So maybe I shouldn't say that. I don't know. I honestly, my honest opinion, I don't know if this is like a valid partnership or not. That's the truth. Buy my shitcoin. Checkout time. All right, let's check out time. Time USDT. No, it's not even traded into USDT. It's not even on TradingView. Is it like a... Oh my god. Bro, this is some local shit. Where can I get this? Where do I buy? you had me at it wasn't even on TradingView. Oh my god. The NFT's gonna get like Cyber Kong give you money, just get it right now. Oh fuck, okay, let's check PooCoin. Poo Together token. This must be traded USDT, no? No. Like this shit I can't even find on fucking TradingView. I gotta get to fucking coin market cap and shit. The PooCoin site. Alright, link it. Link it. And don't you fucking dare dox me. Or hack me with your hacker man skills. PooCoin.app. Jesus. PooCoin.app. Named after Chili Willy. Oh my god. It's actually not bad. It's not bad. Alright, let's take a look. Oh, this is BNB, USDT. Named after Chili Willy. Oof. Well, I guess the price is in the description of the name, you know? This is on the 15-minute. This is on the daily. This is that recent? I thought I heard about this coin like a while ago. Oh, okay. Let's see if they have time on here. Let's see if they have time. Time token. No. You didn't hear about PooCoin, you heard about XRP. People just said it was shit. Yeah, fucking true. Time, is that Wonderland or Time Stop token or Chrono Tech token? It's Wonderland time, alright. This sounds like a fucking Michael Jackson coin. Yeah, nothing. No price. Can't even fucking get it. It's like next level illiquid. Powerful. Worst stream ever. Or some of these had more history. I'm pretty sure it's because of the exchanges that I'm looking at them on. Like, for sure, what's the fucking BSV should have enough history. Check GM. Let's take a look. Oh, Hotbit. Okay. Man. It can't. Okay, it does have English. Okay. Okay. I thought I had to read some sort of foreign language for this. Alright. He has found us a chart of time. Welcome, everybody. What is this? This is on the daily. Yeah, man. Like hold, I guess. What the fuck am I gonna say about this? What does this do? What does this do? I want to actually see. I want to see what this does. Looks good. Did they actually? No fucking way. How high is that candle? Holy shit, 14K. That's a fucking L. It's shit's time, bro, obviously. Obviously. D5 for DGen. Alright, let's see. Let's see what the narrative is. Everybody needs more time. Jesus. Our goal is to build policy-controlled currency system native on the AVAX network in which the behavior of the time token. What does that statement mean? Our goal is to build policy-controlled currency system native on the AVAX network in which the behavior of the time token. What? Ain't nobody got time for that. In the long term, we believe this system can be used to optimize for stability and consistency so that time can function as a global unit of account and a medium of exchange currency. In the short term, we intend to optimize the system for growth and wealth creation. We intend to achieve price flatness for a representative basket of goods without the use of fiat currency in order to allow cryptocurrency industry to detach once and for all from the traditional finance world. This doesn't make any fucking sense. This is just a bunch of fucking words. Don't need to trust the system. Okay, price flatness and growth and wealth creation are completely opposite things. Yeah, readings for Bitcoin. Dude, seriously, like honestly, with this shit, it's like the more retarded you can make it, the fucking better. It's the great reset. It's just like fucking word diarrhea right here. What the fuck? The stream sucks. Oh, welcome. Alright, well done. Well done, time. fucking next level genius. Put no time it is, bro. He's got like 100 clocks, okay? One for each time zone. First influencer not shilling shit coins and everyone still hates. Oh. Oh shit, yeah, let's take a look at totals. Let's take a look at totals. That's a fucking great idea. Is volatility still picking up here? Let's look at HVZ. No, volatility is actually cooling here. The moments mean is still negative, but it's approaching that zero line, so it'll be nice to see it actually go positive. That will be a very good confirmation. What's next reading white papers? Yeah, fuck if I have to, man. If I have to. Let's take a look at total 2. This is market cap X BTC. Very similar stance. Probably we get a cross down at some point. I wouldn't want to front run it because, you know, we can't get stuff like this. Suggest just a little bit of cooling here. Let's see total 3. Let's take a look. Holy shit. Sorry, let me zoom in on this. I want to see. Why can't I see it? Why the fuck is it getting smaller every time I zoom in? What the fuck? Huh? Alright, I'm gonna show this. I can show this. Well, yeah, you posted. Yeah. Alright, we are looking at the US NAS 100 here. Sorry, for some reason, Bali, when I zoom in to, let's say, 100, the image gets smaller. This is, and then when I zoom in past that, it gets even smaller, so I can't, oh, here we go. Holy shit, what the fuck is happening with TradingView images? Alright, let me just observe this for a second. So you got the SSR on top. This is on the 15 minute. You gotta copy the image and paste it. Here we go. Jesus Christ. Close 3010 on. You got entropy ticking down, okay. So I've been treating this, okay, let's take a look at the SMR. Yeah, post some shit on Discord. And by the way, you're welcome to join me on stream. If you guys want to come talk shit. Yeah, so SSR similarity returns of itself. Yeah, so I've been using it in place of autocorrelation stuff. Like it seems a lot faster. SMR similarity of returns with its mean. Okay. So like when SMR is rising, returns are going to be closer to the mean, or sorry, they're going to be more similar to the mean. No, you're muted. You're muted. Yeah, I still can't hear you, bro. Maybe it's me. No, although your thing's not moving. No, it's he's not coming through on Discord. Yeah, yeah. Give me sex. No, man. Bro, I don't have him muted. What are you talking about? It's not me. Is it me? Fuck, I don't know. Let me see what's the video. I swear I was talking to people earlier. Okay. Yo. Yeah, here, Dogman. Alright guys, so we're having a few technical difficulties here. We're gonna sort this out, and as soon as we do, we're gonna get a chance to talk to Bali over here. You know, this is some crazy shit that they've been cooking up, especially it looks like for entries. This is fucking beast. Yeah, it's absolutely possible to skip a song. Sorry, I don't. You should see the image for this song. See, you win some, you lose some. Let's see. What is this? This is so dumb. Somebody just make music. There you go. Yeah, it is that one. Minted as an NFT. Remember when that guy simmed so hard for Crown, he made a song about it? Oh lord. Oh man. Like I don't know. I fucking feel bad for people. They believed, you know. They believed. What's going on with companies being not listed on the Nasdaq anymore or New York Stock Exchange? You want to hear that? All right, let's see. Let's see. I don't know. I don't even know if it's like copyright or fucking, or if it's just fucking dumb. Copyright free. Oh my god. Alright, you guys ready? Is this it?
Yeah, it's our time to shine. Show that's the kind of state of mind you gotta combine with hard work and time. You gotta climb to the top. Don't let yourself drop till your heart stops. Let this beat rock. Got a new clock and a new stock for this new rock.
This is not it, right? Okay, okay.
Oh, look. Yeah, it was pushed to talk for some reason.
Oh, what's happening, dude?
What's up, guy?
How you doing?
One second.
Yeah, no worries.
Yeah, so I was just going to explain, like, the reason it makes sense for it to be faster is because with correlation, it's comparing it to its mean and then seeing like how that changes versus similarity, which is the cosine of the angle, and the angle instantly changes. So the right, like if you get two vectors of returns and one is going like one way, the other one like goes the other way, the angle instantly changes, so you don't have to wait for correlation for it to the value to drop.
For the decay.
So it's much better. We're talking about like, why is it that they didn't think of this? We have no idea.
Gotcha. Okay. Okay. I was actually doing some studying on cosine similarity, and they were mentioning how like the inverse of it is cosine distance. Is there any benefit to using like self distance of returns?
Yeah, it would like we do it for price, and it looks like I was saying that. Like if you do it on price, you don't even need to look at returns. It turns out, like if you look at the distance of price, like the distance of price to itself,
yeah,
it's exactly like volatility, and you never even need to look into returns. There's no log returns in it, but the value that it like puts out is like by a little factor, like a multiple off, but it's the exact same thing. So it will just look like your like EWMA.
Gotcha. Okay. Okay.
But like you can get like ranges and stuff based on it. You literally don't even need to look at returns. But this one, like when you see a new occurrence come on where the returns are dots. Yeah. I don't know which chart. You know how there are four of them. So then you go. So is this new one? This self similarity would say how much it is. Oh, you have it. Where's the one that is the the bottom? Okay.
Yeah.
So this new one at the bottom. You see it's below its mean.
No, this one here, right? SMR Pro.
The bottom of the page. Oh, this one. Okay, when you dots, the returns are dots because the returns is your new occurrence, right? Yeah. The last one, green one, below the mean. So it's SSR and then mean and then exactly where you are. Okay. Right? So go to that's your last one, right? Yeah. And then you want to know. So it's similarity. So it is like its mean. So if you look at the mean, you're not like crazy to have an assumption based on it. And does it have self-similarity with itself? Then SSR the relationship between this and the last one is SSR. The relationship between the dot and the line is SMR.
Okay. Gotcha.
Right?
Gotcha.
So
okay.
Returns with the last returns versus current returns compared to mean.
Okay. So
and then if you look, it's constantly when it goes up, when similarity between returns and mean is up, it's mean reverting, right? In that by definition. And you see how majority of moves are mean reversions. Like we were saying before, big moves are like mean reversion. They're not trends actually.
Right.
Like, yeah.
Because
like if you look at the other one, majority of time, that's what I was saying is good, because when it goes negative, you can bet that it's going to go positive, because by default, returns are mean reverting, except for sometimes where they trend. Like, so
okay.
if I change the shape to like this, hold on a second, and I get rid of
because from like what I understand, like most of the time there isn't going to be autocorrelation.
But because in autocorrelation, we also are checking p-value. Like I'm not checking any p-value here.
Right.
So like if p-value is low enough, no, the opposite problem exists in correlation and here. Well, not so much here, because like you can have a whole set that randomly have been chosen to have nothing to do with each other, but like there's going to be a correlation. The correlation not going to tell you.
Okay, gotcha.
So that's why you need p-value. But like here, it's just vectors and the angle, the cosine angle between. So, I was going to show you this part. Like if I go to 24 hour, I'm going to post it in the Discord. Like it's here. That's what I'm saying to Moose. When SMR is at extreme lows, because you can bet that it's going to go up.
Mm-hmm.
Look at the yellow one. I posted in Discord. So it's like moments, returns, and then SSR, and then SMR, and then mean. Mm-hmm. And then look at how SMR is majority of time positive. Only sometimes, a little bit, it goes to yellow, where it's like there's dissimilarity between price and its mean. So you can say that's a trend. So so then if you like have this view, then you see the biggest moves happen when no, not this one. The biggest moves happen when mean moves a lot, but also similarity is high. So they're mean reversions. So it's like mean's not moving by itself. Mean is moving because of the latest return. But like then it has so much similarity that looking at the mean, which is a lagging thing, it makes sense.
Okay.
So like for example, like when the mean hits the Bollinger around it, so you go, okay, it's out of range, but is it going to cluster? Is it what? So like if there's going to be similarities, then it clusters, right? But like look at like similarity is changing direction, like it was going down, now it's going up. It's like, okay, so next one, you see, am I looking at the same one as you?
Yeah, I'm looking at the last one you posted.
Yeah. So up top is just the returns that you get.
Yeah.
And then SR, and then SMR is just, I just changed it into a line versus the columns. And then like the mean of returns hitting this blue Bollinger at 2 standard deviations. And then I want to know, like, what can I guess for the next one? The returns you see is already green up top. It's 0.39 something, whatever. Oh, this has the weird, I'm on 24 hour, not day. It just makes the cone look fucked up. That's fine. So the next one that's coming, what time, like how much time is it? Whatever. You see similarity at SSR. It's like kicking up already.
Oh, right here.
And if it's up, then it means that like this one, like the current one and the one before it have this extreme low similarity that's increased. So then the next one and the one before it that's now, it's not crazy to assume is going to have higher similarity because that's out of range.
Okay.
So like, it's not crazy. So you have like 3 things that telling you that you have 2 things that tell you next one's probably green.
Yeah.
But then the thing about it is that the similarity at a, if you line up the peak of it, at a red one, it peaked. And then similarity with the mean, right? So like you look at the mean and you go like, okay, mean is out of range, but is the return is going to be out of range as well. That's why you need the similarity between the two. right?
Mean has peaked and similarity is going to be out of range.
Well, SSR, like we gotta say which one. SSR is out of range.
Right.
So but it looks like it's gonna be up, right?
Yeah.
So if it's up and the current one is green, and then the next one is gonna have similarity with that it's gonna increase, so it's probably green, right? Like it's not crazy to assume that, because if it's red, then this, I mean, this can dip lower, right?
Yeah.
But like it's yeah. And then mean of returns is out of range. For the one before that, like mean of returns is out of range, then SSR is out of range. You see, there's one tick between them.
Mm-hmm.
So then when mean was out of range, similar SMR peaked.
Mm-hmm.
So that was a red return, right? It's at the bottom below it. And then the next one's green. That's why similarity is down. But then SSR is going up. So like it's saying, okay, now with the one, so like now it's 0, the one before this 1, the one before this 2, and so it's the green, and red, right? So when you got to the green, and then the current green printed, it said, okay, SSR is at the extreme low, and it's going up. Yeah. So like for SSR, so for the next one, for this to go up, should be green, right? Yeah. So, but then your mean is red. Like generally your mean is red, right? It's down. Yeah. So is the green going to be similar with that? Is the next one going to be similar to red? SMR tells you, and it looks like it's going down. So it makes sense for the SMR to go down. If the next one's going to be green, it's not going to be similar to the mean. One says, is the return similar to the one before it? One says, is the return similar to its mean? Okay. And then like you got to get rid of scenarios by like deduction. Okay, I gotcha. I'm gonna have to hopefully at some point look at this on a chart. It's much easier to read. Yeah, this is just fucking. Just change so I can show it on the screen. Because I see you guys use it, but really the thing you want to know is like, is the next return gonna be similar to the mean? Like that's why like price can go, like mean can go down, and then price can go up, and these idiots go like, oh, there's div, but it's like there's no similarity, and then like you can see that like there's no so yeah, and then extremes it will change, yeah. Okay, that's fucking huge. I do want to identify, hopefully on a chart, some of the ways we can use this for setups. Yeah, we're trying to figure out how to have like maybe we can do it from Pig's account, like because we can't even publish with the value port. Not fuck, that's right. Are they still being stupid? Yeah. Yeah, but it's fine. It's fine. Okay. They're gonna do this anyway, and then this is like a good excuse for them to pull the trigger. But like but that's why I'm gonna get lawyers, because like if you do it again, we'll fuck you up. Yeah. Like, let's say I'm an asshole. Let's say you're 100% right. But like you're gonna do it again. It's not about me being an asshole. It's you don't want the people to hear the truth. The truth. Yeah, well, also like someone can't just like go out there and fucking defame you. Like that's nonsense. Yeah, no, they can come. It's if you go in and say Chris Moody's a liar, asshole, somebody's gonna ban you. They don't do shit to him. But I have to come and say something. And when I do, I'm an asshole because I broke the rule. That's why I said it's like you're speeding to catch someone who's speeding. Right. You have to speed. Yeah. For that momentary amount of time, when I get the guy to confess, I'm gonna little bit say like I'm gonna be accurate in his description. I didn't even say like anything bad. The guy is dumb. If you don't think he's dumb, then you're dumb too. Yeah. And he is a garbage person because he does this on different discourse and then comes and pretend like he doesn't know who I am. But the reason he hates me is because he knows who I am. Yeah. So, like All right. Well, I hope it does get resolved, and the community is here to help if we can do anything. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, no way. It's totally, you can totally make a case that they are like gun manufacturers, they're like cigarette companies, they are like that type of shit, but they know what harms people, but they happily sell. Right. Nonsense. Right. It is to harm people, and it's very short-sighted. You don't want you don't want to be killing your customer. Yeah.
Or at least, kill them slow enough to take a profit.
Oh, yeah. Also, they're putting out a new Pi library, but make sure for me to misinform people more, put in fucking harmonic patterns. Why are you doing this? The reason this fucking thing exists, keeps living, is because one asshole makes a library when he knows better not to do it.
Yeah.
You're gonna write the library. Some fucking harmonic read is the next level person doing it, right?
It's crazy how rewarded all the Rees are for just being Re. Yeah, that's silly.
It's because the main guy is a Re.
Yeah.
And they want to, if he understood how dumb it was, the same way Bilby doesn't, he understands it's something embarrassing to have a position that is on the other side. Like, it's not a thing, bro. And if you don't get it, like, you're dumb.
Yeah.
Which is 99% of you, or more. Yeah. You see, nobody else does what we do. Everybody else does dumb shit. Facts are facts, man. Like, you can't ever argue that being for facts is a bad thing. And who would say it? But Marlboro, Smith and Wesson, or whatever.
Yeah.
You it wrecks people. And you know what? The guy's name is Lucifer, bro. Of course it's evil cunt.
All right, fuck those guys. Yeah, fuck those guys, honestly.
Yeah, man. No, I'm going to talk to you. It's not even a thing. For sure we have a case. You can't just fucking, and then they know, like, say I'm a rogue employee.
Right.
Goes and does something. You take a vote to go do this. They know this. They want to cause like a fight between us. And guess what, motherfuckers, broke bitches? I covered the delta, but then charge you for the damages. I got a new IPO coming out. You might be simping for, okay? Winner after winner, bitch. So they better bring in the damages that they're going to cost in their salary, because how much they're going to cost the company. You don't want the best people out there because you want your dumb shit to stick. Right. Go to chat, see how it's doing. Not one person there is making any money. If they are, it's not at the high rate of the returns of the asset. There's no fucking way they're making that, because they're not buying and hold.
Yeah. Yo, I know you were saying you got fucking GitLab already. I don't know how you get into this fucking shit. Are you gonna be dumping it on me or what?
No, I don't dump on no, I'm gonna sell it when I need the money.
Yeah, that's fair.
Anything that I sold, I regret now.
Because it all went up. Yeah, dude.
Like, if I didn't need the money, we didn't need to sell. We were just being too greedy.
That's honestly, like, I was looking through all of them, and that's the only one that I kind of liked. How many of us have paid subscriptions on TV that would leave if you got shut down, dude? Fucking seriously. Plus, it's not like there aren't other platforms that we can't go to or create our own platform. Like, it would take time, but still.
It's just like the morale of the people when they know they have to work for someone who's dumb and is unfair, and said some stuff like, we don't care if our perception correlates with reality. So why are we talking to you, Reed? Okay? And like, why aren't the smart people running this? And the last time they argue, they debate, but they go and listen exactly to what we said, because what we said was fair and it made sense.
Yeah.
The people who pick, the editors pick, can't be fucking dumbasses where you give awards to retards and we have to go in and say, hey, this is wrong. And then we're assholes.
Yeah.
No, you're the asshole because you want to be in charge, but you have no merit to be. And it's the same thing for other things. Go look at the ideas. Not one of them, every single one of them, you'd be embarrassed to be associated with. Who wants to be next to some fucking idiot who would pick the triangle as editor's pick? What the fuck are we doing here? Ungrateful assholes. Who else is doing shit? Who else is coming up with new shit?
Oh my god.
Your guys are putting old shit in the new shit.
No, idiots. Fucking seriously, yeah. That's the level of is incredible.
And the reason they freak out, the reason they do this is because they agree.
Well, they probably also see it as a threat, right? Like if you built a career on drawing fucking kindergarten shapes, like it's not so easy to let go, right? So you're gonna dig in.
And the idea that these people in the chat are ever gonna make money doing this. Yeah. If you were not a scumbag company, you would say, hey man, if you don't get this math that these guys talk about, the simplest shit, don't even try it. There's no point. You're gonna be But you don't say that. This is not even in our interest, and we say it because we're not scumbags.
Right.
Well, the whole thing is that not one of them can trade. Not one of them does trade. If they did trade, it's less likely for them to say the bullshit that they do and the bullshit that they make. But we do trade, and we do make more than all of them. And I also have money from the IPO, so fucking that's why why wouldn't they?
Also, just like the amount of free shit that you guys have put out.
Everyone's a loser. They're just they're a bunch of losers. And think of everyone who's big and the scammers. They're all banned. None of them is like TV endorsed. Okay, TV people can see what it's about. Go to the idea tab. Bunch of fucking. They're not even. The problem is if they were left curve 0.15, they'd be on the right side. They're mid curve assholes that no one told them to do. And everything I say is fact. That's all. That's why it's not whatever. It's not slander or whatever. They're facts.
Yeah.
Okay? And my lawyer's waiting for me to pitch him stonks. That's why I haven't talked to him. I'm going to talk to him for information. And I'm going to send him some stonks, and me and Cohen's coming for you.
Oh my god.
Really, man.
Fuck man. I don't know. I was looking at the market today.
Hiring idiots. It only takes one to bring down the whole company.
Yeah.
You don't have a case card. Deal with it. You're dumb. You don't even know the distribution of the volume. Your whole life is volume. Maybe do less bicycle bullshit and read more.
Here is the volume profile. Okay. Okay.
Fucking Lord. Take one trade. Let's laugh. All right, let's talk about something else.
Yeah, no worries, man. The SPY is gonna have a good close today, looks like. I hope it holds. Nasdaq's gonna have a decent close today. I hope that holds because I did let go of the shorts. What else? Have you? I don't know if you've been trading Tesla or not. That's one I want to put a position on. I'm pretty sure you were in the chat this morning. Very low HVP.
I have no Tesla.
Is there any significance to? Yeah.
Look at the reverse side div. That's quickly gives you an idea. The whole idea with reverse side div is that if you are attempting to write a div because you're an idiot, like we were when we didn't know anything, you should arrive at the same conclusion that we did. That you can't make one. It repaints. So right. Idiots don't even get it. So, but the good thing about reverse div is aside from high lows to get price targets, limits.
Right.
The rest of it is the same math as EM and it's not Laplace, but it's so it lines up with the cone, and then again with entropy, if it's gonna if it bounces off of these lines, and then you want to know, is this a random thing? A lot of times it lines up with entropy. So
right.
If it drops at these critical levels, it makes it really easy to trade. So if you're above the midline, your bias is bullish.
Yeah.
And if you're below, you're bearish. But then you hold when you're in the standard error range of each side. Actually, and then there's a thing that if you notice the three bands.
Yeah.
They get rid of the standard deviation one or the second standard error. That's the one that might print negative numbers because one is exponential, one isn't. But what was I saying? So if you look at the bands and the price, as it's moving, one of the bands contracts, one of them expanding. So it's whichever of these three expands is the direction that the price moves. That's another thing. Back in the day, I built a mom that works based on that.
Okay, yeah.
So green is expanding there. It was compacted before that, and it expanded. The price is going up. So when you're there, you don't know what's going to happen, but you should expect for it to go up because look at the red one, look at the blue one, look at the green one. The green one's going to be the one that expands. So a lot of times you can tell which one's going to expand. Only a few times they all have the same amount of contraction.
Right. So something like this here probably. Yeah.
And even there, look like the red one expands, price drops. As soon as it hits the green one, then the green one's.
Right. Yeah, dude, no, fuck you. Even this kind of shit is like way better.
Yeah.
Because like on an RSI, it can just keep divvying and divvying and divvying, and it doesn't give you any context as to like, hey, are we at any sort of price level?
How
like,
can you tell a local low or a local high unless it's past?
Yeah.
So random the next tick, but you think something past that happened, like, okay, it happened. Now I gotta wait for it to end. Now I gotta go back, and that's gonna tell me the future.
Oh my god! See, okay, this is what I mean on Tesla. Like, even the RSI is doing this shit where it's just squeezing, and it's been squeezed. I don't know if there's any significance in terms of like an assumption that I can make, but like this has been around for a long time. Like, I wouldn't expect it to persist for that much longer.
What is the ZMA on mom saying?
The ZMA on months is negative, but it's above the POVMA. So I'm waiting on this to cross up while staying above the POVMA, and that's kind of my entry for a long.
Yeah, makes sense.
Yeah, or the HVZ to start expanding in some sort of direction.
Let me do the same chart that I have on Tesla. See what these return SMR and things are saying.
Strip dynamic. It's organic the way it happened. The exact same way that I started rapping. Was just fun, but we still laughing. And the journey's even better than what I imagined. It's all joy, no hassle. I keep going back like Mario to Bowser's Castle. Cause at the end, I'm still nerdcore. Is that phrase even a term you heard? Or nah, bring it back. Is this a ninja rap? Put your hands in the air with my real ninjas at. Yeah, some on my mind over matter. A machine clank clank when I'm going up the ladder. Ninja. Take a few spills while your other bitch your skills. Ain't for the fame, it's for the thrills. Go ninja, go ninja, go.
Oh, sorry.
No worries. No worries.
Also, LARPs, let's compare tax returns. I have receipts. I'm up 12.5x since July 6th.
Jesus.
So
fucking Christ.
Instead of saying, hey, buddy, your shit seems to work. Let me help people learn it so they can do similar things. They go like Bandit, Tally Bandit. Their bad faith actor, his name's fucking Lucifer. What are we talking about?
Yeah. Fucking seriously, man. Always picks a fitting name too, hey?
It takes one person, man. It's like, remember how with Microsoft, as soon as they got rid of Ballmer?
Yeah.
Like, one person could make such a difference.
Yeah.
Imagine if like they had to like appease someone like Pig. If they had to answer to like Pig, like the ideas had to be something that like he would be impressed with. The indicators would that be a bad thing for anyone?
That would be fucking fantastic. That would be fantastic.
Yeah. Again, they listen to what we said. They shouldn't have the position to pick awards when they need me to check their math at the time when Pig wasn't around. Clearly, you shouldn't have that job. I didn't want it. Like, it shouldn't be you. It should be someone who gets the math. Because if I'm not around, even your friend's not around, what are you going to do? By definition, you're going to do stuff like this. It's not an easy position to have, but like he wants to be the kingmaker. And then, again, they argue, but they go home and they do what I say. It makes sense.
Well, okay, it's also interesting from like I'm no lawyer and I'm not legal advice or whatever, but it'd be interesting from a liability perspective because of how many people depend on them to, at least in theory, make some money, right? And
I don't want to get into our strategy, but they have no right to fuck with your business. That's tortious tortious interference.
Right.
So like, it's not that like when you. I can't claim that because I don't take any money out of it.
No, honestly, maybe it's best that you talk to your lawyer first before we go into this here, kind of,
Yeah, I'm literally talking to the lawyers as soon as this is done.
Yeah, fucking perfect.
They're the same idiots that if you read the rule book, it says, like, rule number 3, you're an idiot if you call other people idiot. Like, you know a lawyer didn't write that. So they're idiots who think the whole thing makes sense. And then it's going to get tested by lawyers, and then they're going to find out, like, oh, you should have listened the last time when I said it should, you know.
Right.
Intent doesn't matter. The idiot doesn't understand. The whole crime, intent is the most important thing. Watch some TV, retard. You'll get it. Law and Order will explain it to you. Busy triathloning. Whatever the fuck that is. All right. So pissed. But like the idiots, they now have nothing to lose.
Yeah. No, you'll figure it out, man. Like, I'm pretty confident you'll figure it out.
Yeah. Also, like, wrote it up is the worst time for me to discuss it.
Yeah, I feel that.
What was it do? Oh, Tesla.
Yeah.
Am I on the lead? Yes. Okay. Oh, the probs are 2. Which one's 2? Okay. 10%. 10%. But this is interesting because, like, by like 9 minutes.
Oh shit! True. Wow.
Similarity has ZMA.
Yeah.
So like, it's crossed down, and then the price, the means is up, and it's above its mean, and then like self-similarity is low, but it sort of looks like it's going to like
curve back up.
It's and the thing with SMR is that like if it's low, you can assume it's going to go up.
Right.
Like so whatever assumption you make here is like, okay, now it's like this, but when it goes up, then what's going to happen?
Yeah. Yeah, that's kind of why I've been patient on it, because I'm just treating this like kind of area as just...
You need SMR for SSR to be really useful.
Right.
Because if you don't know the relationship to the mean, you only know the relationship to the last one, you're missing like one part.
Right. Okay, dude, I wonder what's gonna happen with it.
It's not going down, but then if you looked at the mean is positive. But then it says similarity is low with mean, and then self-similarity with a reg return was going up. So it's like more likely down than it's up. And I bet like if is the cone showing you that one? Yeah. Let's make it this. But also look at the top view. Like if you put on the moments and then you go right click and say log, then it looks like that. Like the entire time when the mean is either at the top or like a straight line on the top or a straight line, like it's around the red or the green, right?
Right.
Like that's when it's up in the greens, like that's your return is going up. And then like let me
well, how do you make your
you right click on like open moments and add enable bands and returns. Then if you right click and say show log instead of regular on the scale.
Yeah. Like on the scale. Hang on one second. I want to find.
Yeah. Then it looks like that. Then you see like it's like to two side. Because if you took you see where it says regular and then log.
Hang on.
Okay.
Am I fucking blind? I'm on original source, right? Or log returns. I'm on log returns.
Yeah, get the log returns. No. Like have the mean, and then where in the moment say show log returns and show band. Right? Don't change the source. So then you're gonna get regular dots and the mean.
Yeah.
Now go to the right side of the scale, right click, say like how I posted. Instead of regular, say logarithmic. Like as you would do with price.
Okay, I see it. Fucking holy shit. Okay.
And then when like when the mean is like bunched up on the top, that's when price is going up, right?
Yeah.
When it's like, so like this entire time, you can just ignore it and just know it. So like the next one you want to know is like, hey, and then all these times when like mean is on the top side, for example, then you can just trade the similarity. Then you can trade SMR. Like look at, like you just know mean is up, and then SMR is like, okay, so if it goes higher, then it's more. If it goes lower, then it's less up.
Yeah.
Right? So like it sort of filters out the like you could get, I don't know, you could get confused. You know, if you look at the linear, it tells you the same thing, but like it's harder to see.
Yeah, this is way easier to see.
Yeah.
This is way easier to see.
Yeah, because the bottom one is like how it looks on linear, right?
Yeah. I wonder what actually on the daily NASDAQ looks like this on even just moments. Let's see. Yeah, NASDAQ is now lower.
Yeah, it was down and then came up and then again, same thing. Look at this. Really, I should look at it on the VIX too. But this really tells you everything you need, basically. As for like,
that's
you want to know the relationship to the last one. We can make that thing like the mom that like it does all the, you give it a range and it does all the return, because like returns, like why should it be one candle? Why can't it be two candles? So you can do it all and then weight it based on distance or whatever. But yeah, because mean by itself is good for trend and stuff, but then again you got to know if the next one is similar to it.
Yeah. Fuck, that's crazy.
Even it doesn't fit his narrative, you know, Taleb, but like he should know about this when he hates correlation so much. This is pretty easy, bro. Why not? No, I gotta be. I feel like, you know, it's so I'm more worried that like we're doing something wrong, but I don't think so. No.
Well, I mean, if it's working, I don't think so. Well, I don't know, man. I'm honestly like I'm not very close to the math, so I can't even speculate.
I'm thinking if we're like missing, Musay is wrong. If it's like we're doing the vectors, but like they don't even look in. Like it's not like, and we know for a fact that price has self similarity, but like similarity with hers. I don't know why. Oh yeah, I was Musay had a talk with me, but then he didn't tell you guys. Like I explained things to him because I wanted him to tell everyone. I told him and he just went to sleep.
Yeah, that's the engineer life. That's the engineer life. Oh, we got.
No, but he noticed some stuff, and then like I was skittish that it's might go down, but I told him I don't know what I saw, but it's up only.
We got 2 minutes still to close, boys. Looks like there's not going to be any ASMR for Vlad today. The re-election will be postponed. Bro, the memes were so fucking good yesterday, honestly. right, guys, that's the sound of the market close. Very strong day for the S&P 500 today.
I gotta do the raging after the close.
Yeah, dude, absolutely. Let me just go through these quickly. S&P 500. Very strong close today. We do have, I think, a bit of an expansion in vol. Yes, still moving up on the HVP, moving down on the HVZ though. Mom did go positive. I do want to see it settle above the POVMA, and that will be confirmed for me pretty much. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin having a huge day up. Wow, I think it's actually, yeah, almost to the second expected move here, almost on the 5% call. So a very, very powerful day for Bitcoin today. I'm not sure if this will persist right here, right now. It can, it cannot. It's pretty random. Like I have a small tick down in entropy, but nothing significant here. So we'll have to wait and see. Nothing extreme on the HVZ though, or the HVP. So this can very well continue. And we see actually the mean moving back up here. Let's see, Muse is posting some secret stuff in the Discord. Entropy decrease, QCV pop, inside RSI diff, standard error band, EWMA green standard. Alright, I'm gonna have to figure that out later. Okay, let's take a look at what else we want to take a look at NASDAQ. NASDAQ also having a very strong day, very similar to Bitcoin. Still significant skewness here, significant negative skewness, so that can mean revert to have no significant skewness. Let's take a look at it actually. Yes, okay, not a lot, but still significant. All right, let's take a look at gold quickly. Gold having a decent day. I'll be very worried about cross down here on the MOM3G. Be very, very worried because we're still in this kind of bullshit area, and actually that's kind of what I would be worried on the S&P 500 as well. That's why I want to see it settle above the POVMA with the HVP rising. That would signal that, hey, all the big moves are very likely to come to the upside. Yeah, guys, thank you. I think I'll leave it there. I'll be back on tomorrow. I really, really want to get working with the SSR and the SMR, hopefully when it comes out. That looks fucking revolutionary, especially for entries. You know, like there might be some options plays on it as well. So we'll have to wait and see to really dig into it and understand it. Huge stuff. All of the tools that we use here can be found on the BA Pig Indicator website, and there's a referral link in the description of the video as well. And thank you guys so much for joining. I hope you had an awesome time, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Yeah, memes tomorrow. The re-election has been postponed. Sorry, guys. Crazy Evan, take care, man. Thank you for joining. Powerful.